Hey tubers, how you doing? I'm doing just fine. I keep hearing a strange noise at different speeds break in on the Camry, and I thought I was having a brake issue. So did a wheel inspection, checked for play and looked at the pads. They're good, but hey, look what I found in here. This could be the source of all of my noise, because it was jammed right up in there, probably touching the wheel enough, and at slow speeds I'd hear it clicking. This is what you get for living on a dirt road. 192,000 miles and hanging together. And of course the Tundra, it's got 233, I believe now, and again, doing fine. The only problem I've been having with both cars is those small evap leaks. Tighten some clamps, find the leak. It works. All right, well, the weather here is a little bit overcast, but all in all, a nice day. And everything looking good. And would you believe in December, we've actually got a rose. Roses are blooming in December here. A nice one too. Had a chicken killed the other day. There's hawks living in the area and they're hungry. Not happy, but I can't begrudge him that. Lots of squirrel nests up there too. Squirrel's nest. All right, well, that's today's video. It looks like I don't need to do a car repair. I just had to pull a stick out of the wheel.